car's on. That's it. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we have another mock driving test. Before we get started, any of you that are learning to drive and haven't already done so, please check out the Ultimate Driving course here. It's going to save you a lot of time and money on your driving lessons. Right then, so today's learner driver is Camille.
Hello.
So Camille, tell us a bit about your driving. Well, your lessons.
I've been driving for about 9 months now with my instructor, and I've been practicing outside with my mum's car as well.
Okay, good.
So I have a little bit of experience.
Cool. Do you feel test ready?
So far so good, yeah, but I feel like nerves can just like creep in the way, and that will probably be my only down factor.
That's what these mock tests are for, yeah. Okay. And for those of you who aren't regular viewers, the learners that turn up here, they haven't met me before, so I've just picked up Camille from the train station, and just here to see if she's ready for an actual test or not. Yeah. Okay. So you've been watching the videos. Any questions?
No.
So I won't say anything during the drive, even if you do make a mistake here. Okay. But for those of you watching, if Camille doesn't make any serious faults, they'll be in red text. Any normal faults in amber text. Is there anything that you haven't covered?
No, apart from not looking at the bonnet in detail.
Cool. You done the rest of the show me, tell me questions? Yeah. Okay. So the tell me question, could you tell me how you check your brakes are working before starting a journey?
So after applying the brakes, they should not feel spongy or slack, and the car shouldn't pull to one side.
Brilliant. Okay, so whenever you're ready, if you could move off, and I'd like you to follow the sat nav, please, for the first part of the test. Camille moves off with good observations, checking the right blind spot a couple of times before moving off.
At the end of the road, turn left, then turn left.
On the approach to this junction, she carries out the mirror signal maneuver routine in the correct order. Our view is quite restricted, so Camille does what I always urge everyone to do. Don't go until you have a clear view. She leans forward to get a better view and only emerges out when she can see it's safe to do so.
Turn left, then turn left.
When moving off at these lights, she brings the clutch pedal up too fast, so stalls. She reacts well. I like the way she checks the left mirror again before moving. Always look out for cyclists.
Turn right, then turn right.
When turning right, Camille should have positioned in the marked area to allow other vehicles behind to pass. She keeps to the left, but luckily she didn't have to stop, so didn't hold up traffic. This could have easily been a serious fault. Now I'm going to ask Camille to do the emergency stop. Okay, shortly I'm going to ask you
At the end of the road, turn left.
Okay, shortly I'm going to ask you to do the emergency stop, yeah? She reacts and stops really well. But after stopping, instead of selecting neutral, Camille selects first gear, so stalls. Stop! Thank you. Thank you, and move off when you're ready. After the emergency stop, it's important you check both blind spots before moving off. The examiner will be looking out for this. Camille does the correct observations.
Turn right.
When waiting for the oncoming vehicles, she positions well, not too far back and not too far forward. When overtaking parked vehicles, you should check the right mirror before moving to the right to overtake, and then the left mirror after overtaking. Camille's general mirror checking was quite good. These were the only mirror checks she was missing out.
Hello, my name is Olivia and I'm from Farnham. I first found out about DGN's driving course from my brother, like me, passed first time and really recommends the course. I've now been driving for a month and a half and it's so convenient being able to drive to college and just have that freedom there. If you are as eager as I was to pass, I would definitely recommend using this course to pass first time.
38 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are not just theory based, they are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving off and stopping a vehicle to all of the maneuvers and every other module required. So if you're lacking knowledge, or maybe your instructor has forgotten to cover something, or you're just not grasping a certain topic, then this course has it covered. You can watch the videos before your driving lessons, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save you time on your lessons.
Turn right.
Now this is the part where Camille gets stuck and is unable to move the car, so I have to intervene. She kept stalling.
Okay. The car's on, that's it. Okay, get the biting point a bit higher. Hold it there, yeah. Press more gas when you're gonna go, yeah. Keep the left foot still. Don't rush off the clutch, yeah. You need to use the acceleration with it quite a bit. So keep that left foot still now, yeah? Okay, and use the acceleration for me, please. Accelerate more. That's it. Good.
When stopping behind this car, Camille keeps a good distance. Always make sure you can see the back tyres and some road. We call this the tyres and tarmac rule. When moving off, it's good how she checks the side mirrors to look out for cyclists.
Go right on the roundabout, third exit.
I haven't seen many people do this roundabout as well as Camille did. It's a spiral mark roundabout and almost everyone messes up on the positioning after entering the roundabout. When the new marking appears, watch how Camille keeps to the left of it and stays in a lane. When stopping, she goes slightly over the stop line. Here she shows good awareness by noticing the parked vans and other parked vehicles after the lights. She checks the mirrors well and moves over in good time. At this roundabout, we were supposed to take the third exit. Camille misses the exit and takes a fourth one instead. Wasn't a problem at all, as again she kept to her lane well and checks the mirrors when exiting the roundabout. She didn't panic.
Turn right, fourth exit this roundabout, please.
I think I missed the first one, that's why I came out the same way. Sorry.
Now we're in a car park and I'm going to ask Camille to do the reverse bay parking manoeuvre.
We're going to go straight on, then reverse into any bay on the left, please.
Instead of keeping straight, Camille angles the car to the right. This can make reversing into the bay easier for some, and to be honest, there's nothing saying that you're not allowed to do this. She carries out good observations, looking out the back and checking the right blind spot before swinging out. Camille isn't happy with her positioning, so decides to readjust, which is fine. But she should have checked all around before doing so, and then she rushes off the clutch and stalls. We're going to end the test here. Let's find out what Camille thought about her driving.
Okay, and if you could switch off the engine, just going to end the test there now. And take the key out for me. Thank you. Yeah, cheers. Right, so yeah, that's the end of the test. Anything you did?
You had to intervene, so I definitely failed, but I think the general drive was okay.
What did you fail on?
Was it the stall on the hill?
That was it.
Yeah.
That was the only thing, you know.
Yeah.
So apart from that, very good standard of driving. Okay.
Yeah.
And then at that roundabout, when you went all the way back round, the good thing was you didn't change lanes quickly without checking mirrors or anything like that. Yeah. So going the wrong way is not a fault.
Yeah.
As long as you do everything safely. When you exited, you did check your mirrors then. Yeah. And you didn't, like they say, you didn't straddle the lanes or anything. So it was okay.
Yeah.
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 Okay. So there's, apart from that stalling, yeah, it was just you needed more gas there.
Yeah.
That was the
I
only
wasn't
thing.
used to the car and like how.
But
much
even then,
gas it needs.
so you know when it happens with the once, yeah,
Yeah.
because you're in a situation there where there's a van behind us, yeah.
Yeah.
So that second time when you stalled and you were rolling back a bit, then I had to come in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, like, if you do fail the ones, for you guys watching as well, yeah, if you do not fail, sorry, if you do stall the ones, yeah, and you know it's a steep hill, just like you gotta keep that control and just stay focused. Think, okay, I've got to move off this time correctly. Yeah. Don't rush off the biting point, off the clutch. Sorry. Yeah. Make sure you hold it at the biting point and use a bit more acceleration. As soon as I asked you to do that, you did it fine.
I don't know. I think I was just panicking. I was trying to move, so I was like, oh, and then I just kept stalling.
Yeah. But yeah, overall, really good with this maneuver. So normally we ask you to be not an angle straight with the lines, yeah, and then reversing. But you angled your car a bit, yeah, which is, to be honest, we can't really say anything to that, because that's how, if I was parking somewhere, that's what I'd do as well. Yeah. And as long as you've checked there's no one overtaking you, it's okay to do. Yeah. When you readjusted, just make sure when you went forward, check that there's no one coming. Yeah. Okay. But then you readjusted and you're in the bay now, so that's okay as well. Okay. So just that one pause. Yeah. Well, obviously that ain't going to happen in your test now, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More gas.
Good. Any questions?
No.
Good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're going to pass your actual driving test, Camille. Okay. Thank you very much for coming down to do the mock test. And guys, like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.